Here's something nobody tells you. The financial system was never designed to be easy to understand. The jargon, the complexity, the overwhelming amount of conflicting advice, it's not an accident. When you don't understand how money works, you make worse decisions with it, and someone else benefits. Think about it. Most people spend 40 years working for money, but almost nobody spends 40 minutes truly learning how it works. Not because they don't care, because nobody ever explained it in a way that actually made sense. That's exactly why the financial curtain exists. Every week we pull back the curtain on the financial systems, investing strategies and economic forces that shape your money, and break them down so simply that anyone can understand them. And more importantly, act on them. We're talking about the stuff that actually matters. How compound interest can turn small amounts into serious wealth. Why inflation is quietly eating your savings right now. What the national debt actually means for your wallet. How to start investing even if you have no idea where to begin. And the money habits that separate people who build lasting wealth from the people who wonder where their paycheck went. No jargon, no complexity, no experience required, just the financial truth. Explained simply every single week. Every other finance channel teaches you about money. The financial curtain pulls back the curtain and shows you how it actually works. If you're done being confused about money and ready to start making it work for you, subscribe to the financial curtain. New videos every week. The curtain is about to open.